Most Google shopping campaigns fail for one simple reason, and that is the product images. If your images are low quality and look just like your competitors, you're not going to get clicks, you're not going to drive traffic and get sales. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can beat your competition on Google Shopping and stand out with higher quality product images that will convert and increase the performance of your Google Shopping and Performance Max campaigns. Now, when people are shopping on Google and searching for products that they are clearly in the market for, the one thing that stands out above everything else on Google Shopping is the product image. You can see this example here. The product image is the biggest feature of a Google Shopping listing. It takes up the most space. It's the first thing people see. So you need to make a good first impression, and this example is great here, and I've used it in a couple of videos before. You can see many of the pictures have plain white background images, and I'm sure a lot of you watching this video have white background images and are probably wondering why your shopping performance is quite bad, whether you're not getting any traffic or perhaps your sales are just very poor and you are overall at a loss with your Google Shopping or Performance Max campaign. So this video is very straightforward, but once you learn how to do this, it really will make a huge difference to your Google ad account and the performance and sales you see from your Shopping and Performance Max campaigns. But anyway, you can see the majority of these products here are using a white background image, and with the use of one of Google Ads built-in tools, we can change these very boring product images into something that is going to convert incredibly well. I just want to briefly mention before we jump into this, I do offer a done-for-you Google Ads service. So if you want a professional team to manage and grow your Google Ad account, or perhaps if you want to work directly with me in a mentorship capacity, you can click the link at the top of the description to get in touch, and I will be able to see if your business is a good fit. So anyway, we are going to jump into Google Ads now, and Google makes this incredibly easy. All you want to do, you want to go over to the tools on the left hand side here, and this will bring you to the Asset Studio as the first option. This is essentially Google's built-in hub where you can edit product images, where you can create videos. But for this video, we're going to be focusing on creating product images. Now, the more you do this, the better off you're going to be at crafting your prompts to make even better quality product images. But I'm going to give you a few today. I'm going to be showing you how you can transform simple white background images into lifestyle images that look really, really good. And also, I'm going to be showing you how to transform perhaps low resolution and low quality product images into something that's much more professional and eye-catching, because I understand that some suppliers us business owners work with don't have the best product imagery, and they might be supplying you with very low quality product images. And like I said at the start, it's so incredibly important to stand out on Google Shopping, because the product image is the first thing people are going to see, and for a lot of people will be the reason whether they click on your ad or don't. Okay, so all you want to go ahead and do here is click add images. You want to make sure you're then uploading the product image you're wanting to edit. In this example here, we are going to start with the pizza oven. So if you really are struggling and have absolutely no idea what to include in your prompt, you can use other tools like ChatGPT to help you with prompt suggestions. But I'm just going to show you how easy it is to add a 1 or 2 sentence prompts to completely transform this product image. Okay, so this is the prompt I've just quickly come up with in a matter of seconds. So you can see here that I've said, show this pizza oven in a green garden. The pizza oven is sat on a wooden table. The pizza oven is up close and the focal point. The background is slightly blurred. So once you've done this, you want to click generate, and then you're going to wait about 60 seconds and it's going to give you up to 8 product images. Okay, so here we go. You can see it has generated these results for us in literally about 30 seconds. And just look how professional and high quality these images are. Yes, they're all very similar, and they will be very similar because obviously they're all being generated with the same prompt. But this example here, with all the greenery around the product, it's not taking away from the actual product itself. But now just imagine this image on a Google Shopping listing. All of that greenery and all those colors will stand out far better than a simple plain background image. And now this tool, don't just limit yourself to using this tool just for your Google Shopping images. I use this for all of my product imagery on my website, my marketing campaigns. Is such an amazing tool. For those who don't use Google Ads, they have to pay to use Nano Banana Pro. So the fact this is built into Google Ads and it is so powerful, if you're not using it, you are truly missing out. So there's a great example of a product here. And just make sure once you're ready to update your image on Google Shopping, please make sure you are changing it within Google Merchant Center or from the app, perhaps on Shopify, that you are using to submit your product feed over to Google. Because if you're just replacing your Shopify product image, that doesn't always mean it will update on Merchant Center. So it is best to update directly on Merchant Center. That way, you know it will update correctly. Okay, we are going to do a couple more examples in different categories. So this one here, we're going to take this gentleman's coat. You can see, if I zoom in slightly, you can kind of see what it is. It's like one of those typical British wax coats. Again, with clothing on Google, most clothing items are, again, simple white background images, but people like to see what clothes look like on people, because obviously that is the purpose of the product and the reason customers are searching and buying clothes. So if you can stand out and show your clothes being used on a person within your Google Shopping image, that again will help you stand out. So here are a few examples of what we have been given here. So let's just take a look at some of them here. Some of them obviously are not going to be as good as others, but I even think this first one here is probably the best out of the bunch. Obviously, one thing to note, you still want the product to be taking up the majority of the space of the image, because with Google Shopping, especially people on mobile devices, it is still quite small. So you want to make sure you're taking up as much space as possible. And a bit like some of these listings here, I would actually suggest cropping out some of the person's face, because immediately a human is drawn to looking at someone's face before anything else. So if you eliminate that, then they're going to immediately focus on the clothing item that you are advertising. So this is still a great tool to use for clothing, but for this image here, for example, I would simply crop out his head and just simply show the coat in this sort of lifestyle setting. Okay, now here is a great example of a terrible product image that some suppliers might give to you. Now, whether you're using AliExpress or you have private suppliers that provide you with product imagery, you can just see how terrible this one here is. You can see it's incredibly blurry. Someone has literally just taken a picture of a garden and slapped this picture of a swimming pool over the top of it. Terrible product imagery. This isn't going to convert. So let's use the power of this Google's AI tool to transform this image here into something much more better that you can use across your website and absolutely all of your marketing funnels as well. Now, just while this is loading, if you do want to work one-on-one with me and have me in your corner as a mentor, you can click the link at the top of the description. You could book a free call with me. You could tell me a bit about your business and what sort of help you need, and I can see if you are a good fit. I do only work with a handful of people at a time, because I do obviously run my own e-commerce businesses as well. Okay, so here are the results from this swimming pool product. Now, larger products like this can be quite difficult to get the proportions right. For example, in some scenarios, the pool looks really small like this, but in some scenarios, the pool looks really big like this, for example. So thankfully, this tool is completely free and you can just play around with the prompts. You can play around just generating endless results until you are satisfied with what you see. But just again, to show you before and after here, you can see the terrible quality of the entire image here, and you can see how improved it is in not all of these results, but some of them. And there are various AI tools out there where you can take an image like this, for example, throw it in there, and it will enhance the overall quality and upscale the image for you as well. But like I said, a great place to start with this AI tool within the Google Ads Manager is to update your entire product feed for your Google Shopping ads. And obviously, if you're running Performance Max, a big portion of that is the shopping portion as well. So shifting away from low quality white background images to product images like this will definitely help your results. But getting into the habit of using this AI tool for all of your product imagery on your website. I use this for my meta ads as well, email marketing. This tool is incredibly powerful. This is how you should be using it to begin with. But that is going to be it today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.